Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. My name is Chris and today we got a Tekton tool haul and we got lots of tools, so let's bust on in here and take a look. So the first set we're going to look at here is the complete no skip 3/8 inch drive. So everything in this set is 3/8 inch drive, 74 pieces. You get shallow and deep, SAE and metric. You get the 18-inch breaker bar, 90-tooth ratchet, and you get some extra accessories. So let's open this up. Let's see what we got inside here. Now this case, before we tear into it, it's about 18 inches in length, 11.5 inches in width, and 3.5 inches in height. Now this one, again, features 6mm to 24mm. So we'll just pull out a random size here. This is the 23mm socket there that you can see. It's got your fluting there, your detents down there. So let's pull out the deep socket here and mention that inside here there is actually a clear coat on the metal, so it's not going to be chromed or metallic. It is a clear coat on the inside of these. And if you look at some of these other ones here, there's no broaching, so this runs the entire shaft of the socket. So if you have a deep well and you are looking for a shallow broach, it's not going to be these. But it's a good socket nonetheless. It's a great socket set for a beginner mechanic, a DIYer, an advanced DIYer, and even somebody that's been in the industry for a while, in the sense that this is a nice compact case. You can fit everything that you need to get a job done. You get your ratchet here. This is the 90-tooth quick release ratchet. It's a nice mechanism in there. These ratchets, they are a fine tooth mechanism, so they got a single pawl down here. You'll want to use something like a 3-in-1 oil on these. You won't want to use super lube. That's a little bit too thick for that fine tooth on there. You get a 6-inch, a 3-inch extension, universal joint, and then you get this 18-inch breaker bar. So now you could use this to do lug nuts. I personally wouldn't, but again, I'm pitching this socket set here as a pretty decent, well-rounded set that's going to get you to do the majority of the jobs that you need. You can augment here or there with 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch, but man, this is a really, really big set that is going to do a lot of jobs for you and still be portable. That allows a lot of extra flexibility just to break stuff free and just get stuff done. So really, really neat set here. Get a close up here. It just offers a lot of versatility and a lot of sockets here. And this is the last Tekton set that I need to complete my 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch sets and still have all of these. So I'm really excited to get this one, finally have it in. Got the complete set with their always guaranteed warranty. So again, that's the Tekton 3/8 inch drive, complete socket set. All right, the next item up here, now this one is gonna be unique in the sense that you can read right there, where does it say that's made? It's made in the USA. Now this is a 6-piece Torx Screwdriver Set. And here we can open this up and take all these out here and show them off. So we're gonna have 30 is going to be our largest size. And then we're gonna have a 27, and you can see there that it says made in the USA right there. So you get a 30, a 27, 25, 20, 15, and a 10. Now, if you take a look at these here, you can see that it does have a textured grip with some little humps in there, and that just kind of allows for an extra little comfort grip on there. And you can see that it does have a comfort grip handle on there. You can see a little detent or a little recess when I push on that with my thumb. But other than that, I really do like these. It feels really good in the hand. It's got a nice grip to it. Really excited to put these in my lineup of tools to have. Again, that was the 6-piece Made in America Torx Driver Set. We did pick up a large red Tekton t-shirt. Now this shirt is going to replace the other one. The medium was just a little bit too small for me. Go big red, by the way, that's a great color. Now we did pick up 2 ratchets. Now these ratchets are both non-quick release. And you can see that they're packaged up pretty decent here in the sense that they're wrapped in a box, in another box with brown paper as well as in a plastic bag. So these 2 ratchets again are the 90-tooth ratchets, the non-quick release. And I seem to remember that I needed this one for the 1/4-inch drive Ratchet Shootout. Now these mechanisms, I did mention it in the other one. These sound pretty decent right out of the gate, but if yours is a little rough, I'd recommend picking up something like this 3-in-1 oil here. You can get that at Harbor Freight, and that'll help just really smoothen out any issues that you would have with these mechanisms. But I'm not seeing any right out of the box. These do have the mechanism, if you're familiar with snap-on ratchets or USA made ratchets, that is going to be tightening and that's going to be loosening. So I like those ratchets. Can't wait to put this on the torque torture test and see what we can do with that ratchet. Now the next piece here is the 11-inch 30-degree offset high leverage cutting pliers. Now this here you can see has the Tekton name on it. It's also got the part number 34025. It's got that 30-degree offset and really does allow you to get a lot of leverage. Be able to reach in underneath a bumper, inside a fender, whatever you'd need to do, whether it be cut a little hose off. That's really gonna be able to get a lot of leverage and do a lot that I don't have any other pliers that are just like this. So I'm really excited to put these in my lineup. So now the last items that I picked up, these I got off eBay and they're no longer sold on the Tekton website. So I got the external snap ring pliers. So this has got the straight and then the 90-degree bent tip snap ring pliers. Now the external snap ring pliers are going to be for external snap rings. So I've run into these on some lawnmower parts, some drive shafts on them, and they're just good to have around. When you have a crappy pair, you really know, and you know that you hate your life. Snap rings to me are not the best thing in the whole world, and they should be relatively easy to get off, but it seems like I always run into one that never is easy. We'll take a look at the tips here. Hopefully you can see them, that they marry up decent and they look to be, for the most part, I think I ended up paying 25 bucks for these on eBay. You can tell that it's got their old marketing on it. These say a lifetime guarantee, and Tekton has moved to always guaranteed. Again, those are the external snap ring pliers. And then I picked up the internal in the 90-degree and the straight. There you can see the tips on those. Again, they marry up really nice in there. Now this is an internal one. You could find this on, say, a ratchet that you'd need to take off. You might find this on one of your pulleys for your drive belt accessories, AC compressor. So those should do really nicely. Now remember, the Tekton does have that always guaranteed warranty. So on some of their newer products, you'll see here it says always guaranteed. It's got the 1-800 number, 888-648-3371. There's a couple options you go through to get to support. If you have any issues that you need a warranty on an item, you can talk to them. They'll tell you what you need to do. You can always go to tekton.com/support. They have a web form there. You can even do it from your mobile phone, I believe. and you can go through. If you have an item and it has an issue, you can simply take a picture of the broken item that you'd have. You'd give them the part number and a little description about it, and they should have you something shipped out within 3 to 5 or 7 business days. So we're gonna find that out when we go through the 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch drive ratchet shootout. We'll go ahead and see if this ratchet will meet the proof torque that they have. So Tekton says this will do about 60 foot-pounds. So I'm hoping that we can do 65, 70, maybe even more than that on this ratchet. Hopefully we can get more than 70 foot-pounds, but we will find out. And then we'll walk through the warranty process and let you know how long it takes for my location and how easy that process is, because I think it is pretty easy. So guys, that takes us through our Tekton tool haul. We got our 2 ratchets, our 1/4 inch and our 3/8 inch drive non-quick release ratchets. We got our 4 snap ring pliers off eBay. We got our 11 inch 30-degree offset high leverage cutting pliers. We got a large red Tekton t-shirt. We have our 6-piece made in the USA Torx drivers from 10 to 30, and then we got our 74-piece complete 3/8 inch drive. And what I really care about on this set is the shallow and deep 6 millimeter all the way up to 24 millimeter. And then we do have that quick release ratchet. We'll just take that out here real quick and show you guys that if you prefer, you do have to buy that separately, but you can fit in the non-quick release ratchet without an issue. You get your extensions and you get your 18-inch breaker bar. So all that, guys, great Tekton tool haul. Really excited to put this in my tool arsenal so that I can start working on a lot of other things and hopefully working a little bit more efficient, a little bit more organized, or at least allow me to throw that in the car quickly if I need to do a job on the road, or just to be a little bit more mobile. So guys, make sure you're always choosing the right tool for the job. And as always, work smarter, not harder, and I'll catch you in the next video.